Hello everyone. We are going to look at some designs that have been deleted by Amazon due to copyright and trademark infringement. I suggest that you stay away from these to keep your account safe and avoid termination. I'm using Flying Research's Deleted Designs tool to see which designs have been deleted by Amazon. Here I will go to Advanced Options and select the US Marketplace. You can choose whichever marketplace you want, but I am using Amazon.com because it has the highest sales volume. Sort by newest and search. Here we see these designs that were deleted 3 days ago. 𝗦𝗶𝘁𝗲. Although I couldn't find a specific trademark for 𝗦𝗶𝘁, Little Miss is a commonly trademarked phrase. Here you can see all the Little Miss trademarks on the USPTO website. And if you remember from a few months back, Little Miss was a popular meme that went viral. It is actually a series of children's books which began publication in 1981. So I would suggest staying away from it. If we scroll down here, we see this shirt. 𝗙𝗵𝗄𝗵𝗶, 𝗙𝗂𝗶𝗰𝗵𝗶. And if you can tell, that's Messi on the shirt with the Argentinian flag colors. This shirt is about an interview Lionel Messi had where he said 𝗙𝗵𝗄𝗵𝗶 to another soccer player.
Un poco caliente por el final.
¿Qué mira, bobo? ¿Qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo. Anda para allá.
Tranquilo, tranquilo.
𝗙𝗵𝗄𝗄 means, what are you looking at? I'm not sure why he said that or what went down. Let me know in the comments if you know. So I would suggest staying away from this one as well. Always stay away from soccer players and soccer teams. Here we see this design, Princess Security. This one is an obvious no-no as they are using the Disney font. Always stay away from Disney. This includes any fonts, graphics, or references to the movies or the brand. These are some fonts that I would not use in my design. This design right next to it, Know Your Role and Shut Your Mouth, is a Kansas City Chiefs shirt. It has a logo in the background and is using the colors. Stay away from it or anything NFL. This design is also infringing on the NFL. 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 referencing something from the show Curb Your Enthusiasm. Larry David likes to say,
pretty good.
So this shirt is cross-niching with trademarks. Cross-niching is good, but not by infringing on two totally different brands and combining it into one shirt. Here's another pretty good shirt. And our final deleted design is also in Spanish. Mañana será bonito. This means tomorrow will be beautiful. This seems like it could be a generic Spanish t-shirt, but when I looked it up, it is an album by the artist Karol G. I would stay away from anything about musicians. This includes names of songs, albums, etc. Every day there are designs deleted by Amazon to keep their own brand safe. Always check trademarks or Google if you aren't sure. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.